Hey there and welcome. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to add arrows to lines in Canva. Whether you're sprucing up a presentation, making an infographic, or just want to add some directional flair to your designs, using arrows is such a helpful skill, and you'll see just how simple it is by the end of this video. Ready to make your work look more polished and professional? Let's dive right in. First, go ahead and open Canva in your browser. If you're new to Canva, don't worry, it's a free and friendly design tool that works right in your web browser, no download needed. Once you're on the homepage, look for the purple Create a Design button. You'll usually find it up in the top right corner. Give that a click and you'll see a drop-down menu with some sizing options. For this demonstration, let's create a nice, simple workspace by selecting Custom Size. Here, set the width to 100 and the height to 50 pixels. These dimensions are just right for experimenting with lines and arrows, not too big, not too small, just a little digital canvas for you to practice on. Then click Create New Design, and you should see your blank workspace appear in a new tab or window. Next up, it's time to add the actual line that we'll customize. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll notice several icons. Click on Elements. It usually looks like a circle and a square, and in the search bar that pops up, type in Line. Once the results load, go ahead and click on the very first basic line that appears. This will add a simple, editable line right onto your canvas. You can click and drag to move it around or stretch it out to make it longer or shorter, just like you would with a piece of string on a tabletop. Lining things up just right can make a big difference visually, so feel free to adjust the length or angle to suit your project. Now comes the fun part, adding those arrows. Click once on your line to select it. When the line is selected, the top menu will change to show special options just for lines. Look for the settings labeled Line Start and Line End. These control what kind of decoration appears at either end of your line. To add an arrow, simply click the drop-down beside Line Start and choose the arrow tip style you like. You'll notice your line instantly gets a bold, sharp arrow on that end. If you want, you can repeat the process for the other end of the line. Maybe you want arrows at both ends or a circle at one end and an arrow at the other. Play around and see what looks best for your needs. Canva offers several different arrow shapes, so you can pick something subtle or something a little more dramatic. As you're exploring these options, you'll see just how flexible and approachable Canva makes it. You don't have to mess with complicated settings or confusing vectors, just a couple of clicks and your line turns into a directional arrow, perfect for guiding attention in your design. If you don't see the look you want immediately, don't worry. Sometimes it takes a little fiddling around with the settings or resizing the line to make it fit just right. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you now know how to add arrows to your lines in Canva. It really is that straightforward, and it's an easy way to level up almost any kind of design. If this helped you out, please hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or other Canva tricks you'd like to see. And if you want more easy, practical tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching and happy designing.